Welcome to the Englishstorywell channel, your ultimate destination for captivating stories that enhance your English learning journey. Here, we believe that stories are not just a form of entertainment, but a powerful tool to improve your language skills. Let's go to started.
Family man, woman, boy characters. Adam, a 28-year-old office worker. Sarah, his wife. Tom, his co-worker. Mrs. Linda, the shopkeeper. Dr. Ben, the doctor. Blue Book vocabulary you will learn. Wake up, brush, breakfast, bus stop, office, lunch, market, fruits, vegetables, medicine, tired, conversation, appointment, polite, helpful. Sunrise Chapter 1, Good morning. Adam wakes up at 7 a.m. Adam. Good morning, Sarah. Sarah. Good morning, Adam. How did you sleep? Adam. I slept well, thank you. Adam goes to the bathroom. He brushes his teeth, washes his face, and takes a shower. He comes back to the kitchen. Sarah gives him toast and tea. Sarah, here is your breakfast. Adam, thank you. It looks delicious. Man walking Chapter 2, going to work. Adam leaves the house at 8 a.m. He walks to the bus stop. He sees his friend Tom there. Adam, hi Tom. Are you going to the office? Tom, yes. The weather is nice today. Adam, yes, sunny and cool. I like it. The bus comes. They sit together and talk. Office building Chapter 3, at the office. Adam and Tom reach the office. They sit at their desks. Manager, good morning, everyone. Please check your emails and start your work. Adam checks his computer. He works on a report. At 1 p.m., it's time for lunch. Adam goes to the canteen with Tom. Adam, I will eat rice and chicken today. Tom, I want a sandwich and juice. They eat and talk about the weekend. Shopping bags Chapter 4, at the market. After work, Adam goes to the market. He wants to buy fruits and vegetables. He sees Mrs. Linda, the shopkeeper. Adam, good evening, Mrs. Linda. Mrs. Linda, good evening, Adam. What would you like today? Adam, 1 kilo of apples, half kilo of tomatoes, and some onions, please. Mrs. Linda, sure. Here you go. Adam, how much is it? Mrs. Linda, it's $4. Adam, here is $5. Keep the change. Mrs. Linda, thank you. Have a nice day. Adam, you too. Face with thermometer Chapter 5, going to the doctor. Adam feels tired. His head hurts. He calls the clinic. Adam, hello. Can I book an appointment with Dr. Ben? Receptionist. Yes, Dr. Ben is free at 6:30 p.m. Adam. Great. I'll be there. At the clinic, Dr. Ben checks him. Dr. Ben, you have a cold. Take this medicine for 3 days. Adam. Thank you, doctor. Dr. Ben, drink warm water and rest. Adam goes to the pharmacy and buys the medicine. House Chapter 6 at home. Adam comes home at 7:30 p.m. Sarah, welcome home. Are you okay? Adam, I have a cold. The doctor gave me medicine. Sarah gives him hot soup and puts a blanket on him. Sarah, rest now. I will take care of everything. Adam, thank you, Sarah. You are the best. They smile. Adam feels better with her love. Crescent Moon Chapter 7, Good night. At 9:30 p.m., Adam goes to bed. Adam, good night, Sarah. Sarah, good night. Sleep well. Adam sleeps with a smile. White heavy checkmark useful phrases from the story. How did you sleep? The weather is nice today. What would you like? Can I book an appointment? You are the best. Have a nice day. Books practice tips. Pause the video and repeat the conversations. Practice with a friend or speak alone. Write your own version of Adam's day. Backhand index pointing right if you like the story. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more easy English conversations and vocabulary practice.
Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, our carefully curated stories cater to all levels, making learning English enjoyable and effective. Join our community of language enthusiasts and let the magic of storytelling transform your learning experience. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Dive into Englishstorywell, where every story is a step towards mastering English.